I changed directions, and I went to the women poets partly because Malka showed me the anthology of Ezra Corman's Yiddish Dichterins one afternoon when I was working with her at her dining room table, and she told me that she had refused to be in this anthology. So I was intrigued, and we read some of the poems in it. We read Kaji Molodowski's poems, Rachel Korn's poems, Celia Dropkin's poems together from other books. And Malka had been friends with both Korn and very close friends with Rachel Korn and friendly professional friends with Kaji Molodowski. And so I was reading their poems and reading Malka's poems, and I didn't understand why Malka would have refused to be in the anthology. She told me, this is what she said, but I still didn't quite get it. She said, I'm a poet, I'm not a woman poet. And she really was quite adamant about not framing poetry with gender.